everyone, my name is Dubing. I come from class ICS 009. Today I talk about 5 rules at school and 5 rules at home. 5 rules at school is 1 is listen to teachers. 2 is be safely. 3 is do homework. 4 is do not talking. 5 is be good partner. 5 rules at home is 1 listen to mommy. 2 listen to daddy. 3 do homework. 4 do correctly. 5 be good boy. What about you? Thank you for listening. Goodbye.